1. Acer Incorporated was founded in 1976 in Taiwan and it grew rapidly, becoming a top global manufacturer in the field of IT and electronics. 2. In the 1920s and 1930s, Siemens began producing radios, TVs and electron microscopes. This company now files an impressive number of patents annually, around 20 inventions per working day in 2021. 3. The first web banner ad was launched in 1994 for AT&T, on the website hotwired.com. 4. Rubik's Cube is one of the best-selling toys of all time. Since its global launch in 1980, over 500 million Rubik's Cubes have been sold. 5. The oldest known printer is a Chinese printing machine, although Johannes Gutenberg is often credited with inventing the printing press in the 15th century. 6. Lidl was founded in Germany in the 1930s as a food wholesale business. The first Lidl retail store opened in 1973, and its success was fast. 7. SpaceX has revolutionized the space industry through the development of reusable rockets. Instead of throwing away the stages of rockets after a single use, Falcon 9 rockets are designed to land vertically on their first stage. 8. The name LEGO comes from the Danish language. It is an abbreviation of the Danish words legot, which translates to play good. 9. Dediman, a Romanian hypermarket chain, was founded in 1992 by Dragos and Adrian Pavel brothers, in a space of only 16 square meters in Bacău, Romania. 10. EMAG, now the largest online retailer in Romania, started in 2001 as a small online store of electronics and IT products. 11. Nike was initially founded in 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports by Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman. 12. In 2005, Reebok began working as a subsidiary of Adidas. However, in 2021, Adidas sold Reebok to Authentic Brands Group for $2.5 billion. 13. A high-performance rack web server can consume more than 2,000 watts. 14. China has the largest number of internet users in the world, 1.1 billion internet users, as of early 2025. 15. UI Scuti is one of the largest known stars, and its radius is about 1,700 times larger than our Sun's. 16. The Macintosh 128K, released in 1984 by Apple, was the first commercially successful personal computer to popularize innovations such as a graphical user interface and a mouse. 17. The Domain Name System, DNS, was developed in the 1980s to facilitate internet browsing. It's a more user-friendly way to access websites. 18. Helium was first discovered on the Sun, in 1868, and later on Earth. The name helium comes from the Greek word helios, which means sun. 19. Mahjong has disputed origins, although there are legends that say that Mahjong was invented by Confucius around 500 BC, historical evidence suggests that it evolved in the 1800s. 20. Intel was founded in 1968 by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore.